Shivananda Sharma Memorial, RV College, Video Lectures, and ISR Initiative. SSM College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV Group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Jagadish, from Department of Business Administration, has posted a video on the subject e-business and the topic B2C marketing strategies, transaction log, and cookies. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Before we move on to the marketing strategies of B2C, let us understand what is B2C marketing. B2C is a form of marketing that helps business communicate more effectively and persuasively with customers. That is, you are marketing your products directly towards individual customers. The definition of B2C marketing is any marketing activity that occurs between a business and an individual customer who plans to use the product for personal use. From definition, it is necessary to understand two important things. That is marketing activity. Now, what is marketing activity? Marketing activity can be a communication, that is advertisement or promotion, and the other important thing is for personal use. Here, consumer buy product for their own use but not for the intention of reselling it. Business to consumer marketing strategies. These strategies help you prepare for sales, anticipate responses, and track progress. All three of those factors can make your marketing campaign more successful. Now let us look at the 9 most effective B2C marketing strategies. Connect with prospects on a human level. Host creative and engaging contest. Add free offer with every purchase. Give priority for searchers' intent. Run retargeting programs. Create membership programs. Use social media. Build micro-influencer relationship. Invest in mobile-first marketing. Strategy 1. Connect with prospects on a human level. Let's start with content marketing. If you are focused on building relationship with your prospect, you must treat them like a human being, not like potential ATMs who will dispense cash for your products. Whether you are writing a blog article or posting on social media, create content that authenticate to your voice and brand. Communicate with people on a human level, whether you are sharing your own story or helping them understand their frustration. The idea here is to present yourself and business as a solution to whatever pain point your customer is personally experiencing. An example to support the above strategy. Let's say that you create online course to help people lose weight. Maybe you struggled with your own weight earlier in your life, so you know how it feels to struggle with a diet and a New Year resolution that never pan out. Use those experiences to connect with your audience. Post before and after photos. Talk about weight loss strategies that failed and share your personal struggles. You can also talk about how you feel now that you have conquered your weight loss. People connect to stories like this. The message you are sending is simple. I figured out a way to beat this problem. Let me help you to do the same. Strategy 2. Host creative and engaging context. Everyone loves a contest. The idea of winning something for free is almost too attractive to pass up, especially if an entry does not require much effort or time. You can host a contest on your blog, social media, or anywhere else that seems appropriate. The important thing is to make sure you are following the rules on whatever platform you choose. It is very important to give away something that your target audience will view as a valuable. Let's see an example that supports the above strategy. The example I am considering here is the online course. As a host, you might be tempted to give away something expensive that doesn't relate to your business. Sure, a lot of people would love a new flat screen television, but if your online courses have nothing to do with television, the contest won't have the desired result. Choose a giveaway that's related to what you do. Strategy 3. Add a free offer with every purchase. It is also known as gift with purchase. A free offer with every purchase adds even more value to the product you sell. In other words, it lets people know that they are getting something extra without having to pay more money. That's a win for everyone involved. You get paid for your product and the customer get a bonus item in return. Example to support. Again, I am taking online course as an example. The free offer can be anything you want. Maybe it's a mini online course that's related to your main online course. Or perhaps it's an ebook or workbook that will help your customer get better use out of your online course. Prioritize searcher's intent for SEO, that is, search engine optimization. Many entrepreneurs fail to consider searcher's intent when they optimize their content for SEO. We assume that all Google search are the same, but they are not. Searcher intent refers to the reason behind a Google search. Let us see an example to support the above strategies. If you want something to eat, you might search for restaurants near me. If you are interested in cooking, you might search for recipes for cooking. The type of search indicates is intent. Some consumers are just gathering information, others are comparing their options, and still more are ready to buy. Ideally, you will create content for people in each phase. That's why they know you have all the answers. Strategy 5. Run retargeting programs. Retargeting sounds like a difficult concept, but it's actually pretty simple. It's all about reconnecting with consumers who have connected with your business in the past. Let us see an example. When your existing customer visits Facebook, for example, he or she will see an advertisement of your business. That existing customer might not immediately click on the ad or buy from you. However, by seeing an ad reinforces your brand image and helps the consumer remember your company in the future. Strategy 6. Create membership programs. It is also called as a loyalty program. A membership program combines competitiveness and rewards. As consumers move up the membership level, they gain access to more rewards, which increases their relationship with your business. Let us see an example. As a business, you can create 3 membership levels. Bronze. Customers at the bronze level receives free discount on your product every quarter. Next level, silver. Those who reach the silver level will get a special downloadable asset twice a year in addition to their discount. The gold level. At the top level, consumer receives bronze and silver rewards as well as a free 15 minutes phone consultation every year. Strategy 7. Use social media. Many brands have achieved amazing success using social media. If you don't have any money in the budget to pay for social ad, focus on building your followers through strategic B2C marketing. There are lots of ways to get people more active on social media when it comes to your brand. Let us see an example. I am going with the same online course as an example. Let's say you have just opened an Instagram account. You want to attract people who might be interested in your online course, but you are not sure where to start. Your strategy might look something like this. Follow 10 people per day who are interested in your industry. Create a branded hashtag that you use on all your posts. Use a new hashtag every day that correspond to your subject. Host contests that are exclusive to Instagram. Share inspirational or educational content that makes your followers feel like they are part of a community. That's a solid strategy. Plus, you can duplicate it for other platforms from Facebook to Twitter. Strategy 8. Build micro-influencer relationship. Micro-influencers are social media personalities in a very specific area. They often have small but loyal and devoted followers who make buying decisions based on the influencer say. Partnering with micro-influencer can be a boon to your business. An example to support the above strategy. Let's say that you are an entrepreneur in personal safety. You have met a security expert on Instagram who has a pretty decent followers. You both want to teach people how to stay safe. Approach that expert and ask him or her to take a look at your course. If the influencer likes it, request that he or she can promote it. Some micro-influencer might charge money, but many don't. If you start by building relationship, you will spend less cash. Strategy 9. Invest in mobile-first marketing. The world is moving in a mobile-first direction. Many people don't have laptop or desktop computer anymore. They do all of their computing work via tablets, smartphones, and even watches. That's why it's critical for B2C marketer to adopt a mobile-first strategy. Figure out how your content will appeal to your audience based on mobile device. Let us see an example. You have to make sure you are up to date on the best practices for marketing on mobile. It can be email marketing, SMS marketing, social marketing, all are mobile friendly. You can also use gamification and other forms of engaging B2C marketing to get in touch with your target market on mobile. Now let us move on to the other concept, web transaction log and a shopping cart database. Transaction logs, which are built into web server software, record user activity at a website. Log file analysis tools curl information from these files, which can contain tens to hundreds of entries for each user. Transaction log data becomes more useful when it is combined with the registration form data and shopping cart data. Registration forms and the shopping cart database are two other visitor generated data trails. Merchants use registration forms to gather personal data such as the name, address, phone number, zip code, email address, and other optional information on the taste and interest of the consumers. The shopping cart database captures all the item selection, purchase, and payment data. The data from transaction logs, registration forms, and shopping cart database can also be combined with other information that users submit on product form, contribute in chat rooms, or submit via email to firms to produce a valuable information for both individuals, that is merchant side, and for the industry. Next concept, cookies. A small text file created by a website that is stored in the user's computer either temporarily for that session only or permanently on the hard disk. Although the transaction log represents the foundation of online data collection, it is supplemented using cookies. Cookies are stored on the user's hard drive when he or she visits a site. Cookies allows a website to store data on a user's machine that can be retrieved later. Cookies provide marketers with a very quick means to identify each customer and to understand his or her behavior at the site. Cookies can be used to determine how many people are visiting a site, how many are repeat visitors, and how often they have visited. They also make shopping cart and quick checkout possible by allowing a site to keep track of users as he or she add to the shopping cart. Thank you for watching.